Okay, we're going to stop with this page. So I want you to turn it over to the back. And now we're going to practice writing that letter M. So I want you to look over here. We have some green dots. Those green dots help us to know where to start. So I want you to take your pencil, put your pencil on that green dot, and I want you to go down. Okay? Go right back up to that green dot and go down, up, down. That's capital M. Let's do another one. Starting at the green dot, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. Now I want you to do some on your own. Start at the green dot, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. M says Go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. M says Go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. One more. Go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. Capital M, that's the capital one, the big one. M says Now we're going to do lowercase m. Lowercase m goes underneath that broken line and it stops at the red line. So again, green dot, go down, go up, and now we're going to make little mountains, curved lines. See, these are pointy, these are curves. So start at the green dot, curve lines. Okay, you try. Go down, go up, curved lines, 2. Go down, go up, go down, go up, down, go up, down, go up. Okay, and that's lowercase m. Those are the little m's. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to look at some pictures and we're going to decide if the picture starts with the sound, you're going to write the capital M and the lowercase m on the line. So this first picture is a picture of meat. Meat. Do you hear the sound? Meat. I do too. So we're going to start with our capital M, up, down. There's little mountains, and then we're going to do our lowercase m. Okay. This is a picture of a mushroom. Mushroom. Do you hear the sound? Okay, let's go. Capital M, lowercase m. This is a lid. Lid. Do you hear the M sound? The No. This is an egg. Do you hear the sound? Yeah, me either. This is a mat. Do you hear the sound? Me too. Capital M, lowercase m. This is a mirror. Mirror. You look at yourself in this. Do you hear the sound? Me too. Capital M, lowercase m. All right. Nice work. Let's turn the page. So you're just going to flip it to the next side. And we did both pages. So now it goes in our folder. Just take it and put it in your folder. Just like that. And close it up. Okay, now we're looking at page 17. We're going to do the same thing where we are looking at a picture and we're going to decide if it has the sound. We're going to write the capital letter and we're going to write the lowercase letter underneath it, okay? So this is a map. Map. Do you hear Good. Let's write our capital M and lowercase m. Mouse. Do you hear in mouse? Good job. Capital M, lowercase m. This is a gate. It's open. Do you hear this sound in gate? Yeah, me neither. Monkey. Do you hear the sound in monkey? I do too. Let's write our capital M and our lowercase m. This is milk. Do you hear the sound in milk? I do too. Capital M and lowercase m. This is a fox. Do you hear the sound in fox? I don't either, so we're leaving it alone. All right, turn your page. Okay, we're going to sing that alphabet song again. And this time, as we sing, we're going to circle each letter. Okay, all capitals. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good work. What letter did we practice a lot with today? The letter M. I want to put a star by the letter M because that's the one we practiced with. On the bottom, it says, think of a word that begins with Tell your teacher a sentence with that word. I think we should write the sentence, Mom likes milk. Okay, so here we go. Mom, M, O, M, ooh, look at M and M. Mom likes milk. M-I-L-K. Awesome. Let's circle our M's. M, M, and M. Good work. Okay, this paper is going to go in your folder. All right. So now I want you to get this book again, okay? And it says to read my ABC book again and write the first letter in your name on the line. Draw a picture for that letter. So let's open up our book. We have A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog, E, elephant, F, fish, G, goat, H, hat, I, inch, J, jump, K, key, L, lion, M, mop, N, nest, O, octopus, P, pencil, Q, queen, R, red, S, sun, T, turtle, U, umbrella, V, volcano, W, web, X, box, Y, yellow, Z, zebra. So now what I want you to do is go back in the book and look for the first letter of your name. So we have, if we're going to, Makar would be mop. Makar, what you would do is you would write down M and draw the picture of a mop. Okay? Makar would write M and then draw a mop. Taras, you would write T and draw a picture of a turtle. Turtle. Roxlana, you would write R and draw a picture of something red. Yara, you would write Y and draw a picture of yellow. My name is just like Makar's name. My name is Mrs. Musial. Okay, you write your name here. So Taras, you're going to write Taras, Roxlana, Yara, Makar, and then you're going to draw a picture of whatever. Now, M is the mop, so I'm going to draw a picture of the mop. Okay, you can pause the video. If you need to pause it, go ahead and do this activity. All right, and then you can color when you're done, and then come back. Okay, that should be the last thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna take our papers, make sure you have all your papers. You're gonna put them in your folder. Okay, and we're going to close our folder and put it away. Now we're going to practice playing a game, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So this is the snowball game. Everybody's going to need one of these sheets. Oops. So take the sheet out of the bag, okay? And then you're going to have these snowballs. On these snowballs, if you look, there's letters. I want you to turn them all this way. Okay, spread them out. And you're going to flip them all this way. So you can't see them. Okay, so this is how you play this game. You take turns. You see, you're going to pick up one of the letters. This is an L. Oh, L. And then you're going to look on your snowman. This is a capital L for the lowercase l. Ooh, I see it. Once you see it, you're going to take your crayon, any color, and then you're going to color it and flip it back. And then do another one. Ooh, capital A. Look for lowercase a. I found it, and then you're going to color it in. Okay, you're going to play. When you're done, let's put your name on here, name. So mine is Mrs. Musial. Okay, and once they're all done, you're going to put this in your folder. Okay, when you're all done. Okay, but this is the game you're going to play. All right, have fun.